Hi there. I have another spirit filled, crazy, freaky deaky writing story. Let's get to it. Chapter 1. I was supposed to be hosting a writing retreat here in the south of Spain this year, but for reasons I don't need to get into, I had to cancel it. But it was going to be held in this cute little village about 40 minutes from where I live called Frigiliana. Frigiliana, remember that. Chapter 2. This past weekend, my husband and I decided to do a little day trip to Frigiliana. We actually didn't know a lot about this town except that it had a historical it has a historical reputation of being a refuge for Jews, Christians, and Muslims during the Inquisition. So I love a multicultural history. So we went there, we checked things out. It's a cute town. I was really vibing while I was there. And yeah, I liked it. Chapter 3. I promised myself that I would do a DIY writing retreat this summer so that I could finish this novel that I'm working on, right? And I just needed a place to go where I could write for a week and just be totally immersed in my fictional world. After coming back from Frigiliana this Sunday, I was like, why don't you just go ahead and do it there? You like the place, it's quiet, you were going to do a writing retreat there anyway, go ahead and do your own little DIY thing there. Only problem, it's a very popular tourist destination. I'm like, there's no way I'm going to find a room in August in Frigiliana now. But I was like, shoot your shot. I actually looked at the very same B&B where we were going to have our retreat. I love that place, but I'm like, They had one room during the 1 week that I wanted to go. Booked it. I was like, I was meant to be there. I'm there. Now we get to chapter 4 where things get freaky. One of the things that I needed to do while I'm on my DIY retreat is to really kind of beef up the role that this 17th century spirit that plays a part in this story. She's the spirit of a black woman sorcerer who lived in the 1600s in the south of Spain. I needed to work more on this character. Now, she is haunting my main character, and the way she haunts her is often involves molasses. So my main character will smell molasses. She'll feel like she's walking through molasses. Now, I know as a black woman from America, intrinsically, I just knew from hoodoo culture that molasses plays a part in remedies and magic. And I wanted to make sure that that was also true for black women sorcerers in 1600s Spain. And so I did a little research, and I found out that there's actually only one molasses factory in all of continental Europe. One. And guess where it is? Frigiliana. You heard me. I'm like, is the character I made up haunting me? I'm going to be writing this book about this sorcerer while smelling molasses because it's in the air of a factory that's been there since the 1600s? I don't know about you. I'm wearing my spirit beads from Ghana. I'm going to be reading The Conjuring of America by Lindsay Stewart. I don't know what to think about this except I'm onto something. Somebody wants me to be in Frigiliana. There's some spirits at work here, and I might need to make some molasses cookies.